In this video, I will show you how to make like this paper cutout effect in Canva. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Canva, go and upload the picture that you want to use. So for me, I want to use this one. Click on it and drag it to your background here and increase it and make it like this. And right now what you should do, click on remove background. So after removing background, go to element and search for paper. Click on photo and choose any paper that you want to use. For me, I want to use this one. Just make it like this and layer, send it back and click on edit and go to adjust, go to clarity and make it here 100. And after that, guys, go and download this picture. Click download. So after downloading your picture, go right now to upload and take the picture that we download, this, and right now you have to delete this, add your image that you download, make it like this, and right now you have to go to apps, click on apps, and on apps here search for this. So click right now on this one and click open, select your design and click reset and come here right now and cut. Just do the same as I'm doing. When you finish, do this like this, and right now click add to design. So add to design like this, but delete this picture, we don't need it, and add your design here. Go right now to element, search for this, click on photo and choose the picture that you want to use. For me, I want to use this. Make it as background, and that's all, guys. So I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and also subscribe, and bye.